You're here to build a sales pipeline automation in Zapier, a Zap that creates a ClickUp task every time a new deal lands in HubSpot. Let's set it up. Open your browser and go to Zapier.com. Sign in and let the dashboard load completely. Before you build the Zap, double-check that your HubSpot and ClickUp accounts are already connected. You do that under My Apps in the left menu. If they're not connected, connect them now. I'll wait. Alright, click the Create button in the upper left corner and choose Zap. The Zap editor opens to a blank canvas. We'll start with a trigger. Click the trigger step box, search for HubSpot and select it. The trigger event list appears. Pick New Deal. This fires whenever a deal is created, no matter the stage. Click Continue. Now choose your HubSpot account. If you manage multiple, make sure you pick the one that actually holds your sales pipeline. Click Continue and confirm if prompted. I've seen people grab the wrong account here and then wonder why no test records show up. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier reaches into HubSpot and grabs recent deals. It takes a few seconds. If you get a list, pick the most recent one. If it says no deals found, hop over to HubSpot, create a test deal, call it Acme Corp Test, throw in some dummy data, then come back and click Test Trigger again. Let's assume we have a record. Look at the data returned. Deal name, company, deal owner, stage, amount, close date, contact name, and email. These are the fields you can map into ClickUp. Click Continue with selected record. Now add the action, click the plus icon below your trigger. Search for ClickUp, select it, and choose Create Task as the action event. Click Continue, pick your ClickUp account, then the workspace. Zapier lists every workspace you have access to, so verify you're not about to drop tasks into a personal space by accident. Next, choose the space, folder, and list. I'd pick a list called Sales Follow-ups. If you don't have one, create it first in ClickUp so it appears here. Keep it dedicated. Click Continue. This is where you build the actual task. In the task name field, type follow-up : space. Then click the Insert Field button and pick Deal Name from the HubSpot step. You'll see the field tag in curly braces. The result will be something like Follow-up Acme Corp Expansion. I use this format because every task sorts cleanly and you can spot it in a list instantly. Now jump into the description box. I'll start typing labels and inserting fields. Company : then insert company. New line, amount : insert amount. New line, stage : insert deal stage. New line, close date : insert close date. Then contact name and email. This gives the sales rep full context without leaving ClickUp. One thing that trips people up: if a field is blank in HubSpot, it shows up as nothing in the task, so make sure your required deal fields in HubSpot are solid. Click Continue. Alright, test the action, click Test Step. This actually creates a live task in ClickUp, so if you're running this against a production list, warn your team. I use a sandbox list for the first test. Wait for it to finish. Open ClickUp in another tab, navigate to that list, and find the new task. Confirm the name includes the deal name, and the description has all the details you mapped. If something is missing, say the amount is blank, go back and check the mapping. Sometimes HubSpot uses a slightly different internal field name. Once it looks good, return to Zapier and click Continue. Before publishing, I always scan the whole Zap. The trigger block should read HubSpot New Deal. The action block reads ClickUp Create Task. Glance at the selected list and field mappings. I've had Zaps where a single curly brace gets deleted, and the task name shows the raw text like follow-up : open curly brace, deal name, close curly brace. Not ideal. Take 2 seconds here. Now give your Zap a name. I'll call it Sales Pipeline Automation. Click Publish and it's live. But we'll do one final end-to-end test. Head over to HubSpot and create a new deal. I'll name it Acme Corp Expansion. Set a stage, plug in an amount and a close date, and save. Back in Zapier, go to the menu and open Zap History. You'll see your Zap run within a minute or so. If it's slow, you can click Run Now to force it. Once you see a green success, open ClickUp, refresh the list, and you'll find the new task. Follow-up Acme Corp Expansion with everything mapped. That's it. The automation is running. A few things you'll want to watch now that it's live. First, monitoring. Hit Zap History every week for the first month. Any failed run shows a red X, and clicking it tells you why, usually a disconnected account or a missing HubSpot field. Second, if you're on a free or starter plan, keep an eye on your task usage under Settings and then Usage. A busy pipeline chews through your monthly limit fast. You can add a filter to only process deals in certain stages if you need to cut volume. Third, when your sales process changes, don't rebuild. Just open the Zap, click the ClickUp action, update the field mappings or description template, and publish again. It's quick. If this walkthrough got your automation running, hit like, subscribe for more Zapier workflow setups, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this to other people building the same thing.